Hello everyone, congratulations on choosing SUNY Buffalo State. This quick 1-minute tutorial will walk you through the process to submit your tuition deposit. The first thing that you need to do is log into the Applicant Portal. You can click the button on the website you just visited and you're going to log into the student portal. The email address that you'll use is the email address that you use to apply to Buffalo State, and your password or temporary PIN has already been emailed to you. If you had already logged in using the temporary PIN, you updated your password and you'll simply enter that. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Your Password button and you'll be sent an email to reset it. The next thing you'll need to do is click the Admissions Reply Form button at the top of your screen. Once you do that, you're going to accept your offer of admissions and click Submit. Once you've clicked the Submit button, you'll be redirected to the main page in the student portal where you'll see the option to submit your tuition deposit. You simply click that button and then you're going to click the Submit Payment button after that. Once you've clicked the Submit Payment button, you'll be redirected to a screen that asks you to pay the $125 tuition deposit by e-check or credit card. You select your preferred method of payment, and then from there, all you're going to do is enter your information for the payment and click Continue. It's also worth noting, if you are an EOP student, you still need to complete the process of submitting the admissions reply form. However, you will not be asked to submit the actual tuition deposit, as that's waived for EOP students. Any questions, please feel free to get in touch with the admissions office. We appreciate you taking the time and have a great day.